Hello, I've got the Apollo Digital Signage Bundle here from inLighten and would like to show you what's in the box and just how easy it is to set up and get content up on those screens. Inside the box, there's an Apollo install manual, a handy Apollo Quick Start guide, the Apollo Digital Signage Player, an HDMI video cable, and power cable with wall adapter. The first step is to connect the HDMI cable from an HDMI input of the display to the HDMI output of the Apollo player. Next, connect one end of the LAN cable to an Ethernet RJ45 wall port and the other end to Apollo's Ethernet port. There are instructions included as well for wireless LAN setup. Finally, connect the included power wall adapter from a power outlet to the DC input of Apollo. Apollo will then automatically power on and connect to inLighten's hosted network. See? Super easy! Thanks for watching and for choosing inLighten.